young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City.
In the last 2 months, our company lost 2.66% of its income 2 months ago. In the next month, we obtained a gain of 0.417%. In the other month, the company's finances remained stable, so the gains were zero as well as the losses. In the next month, there was a theft of minus 1.083%. It decreases the finances. So with this information, we are going to find the critical points and graph a function.
This is the function of our company. The function is 1/4 to x to the fourth. And as you can know, we are going to use a derivative. And this is the derivative we are going to use. X to the n, it's equal to n times x to the n minus 1. And we are going to solve with this all the elements. So 1/4 times 4, it's 1. So we have here a 1. And it's going to be the x, so we put here the x. And as the derivative says, 4 minus 1 is 3, so we can put here the number 3. And we are going to set this derivative in all of the elements we have in the function. So we do the same with minus 1/3 times 3. We have minus x to the second, because 3 minus 1 is 2. And here we only multiply 2 times 1 and we have minus 2. And as you can see, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we put here the 1, but in maths that's not useful, so we can put just like minus 2x. Then we have to have the common factor, so we put here the x, that is going to multiply x to the second. So with this we can have x times x to the 3. Then minus x times x, we have minus x to the second. And minus 2 times x, we have minus 2x. Then with this, we know that we can have the first critical number, that is 0. And here we need to factorize these elements. And this is the answers. X minus 2 times x plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 2. And minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So we have here, that is correct, these elements. And then to finish or to conclude with this, we need to just set this into positive and this into negative. So we have that x1 is 0, x2 is 2, and x3 is minus 1.
In conclusion, in the beginning, the company started with 2.667, but then the company started go down to less than 0, as we can see right here. Then the company started get stable at 0, but in the moment the company arrived to 0, it started going down again to first to less 1.00 and still continue going down to less 2.00 and more. As we can see, the finances of this company just going down and down and down, decreasing. In conclusion, with this problem, we can understand more derivatives, critical numbers by the example of the company, because as we can see, when the company had a gain in the financing where the function increased, and when the gain is negative or have a loss in where the function decreased.
I like me better.